Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I will show you how to reset network settings on this device. So, if your Samsung Galaxy A07 device is experiencing dropped calls, slow mobile data, or Wi-Fi disconnection, resetting network settings is often the solution for you. So, let's open settings on your device and let's scroll and tap section General Management, and here you will find a reset option. So, tap it and here select Reset All Settings button. Then you want to confirm it by pressing it once again, and after performing this reset, basically all saved Wi-Fi passwords will be deleted. You'll need to re-enter them, and also your Bluetooth devices that were paired to your phone will be unpaired, and again you will need to pair them once again. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.